Ense Dr. William RUTO ni gabolde chinse chorokongorwa Afrika hukwa na Neriogi Erimo. Ka hukwa na kurwa sensemo ya Dodoma Tanzania ni igo airera obuya KOENEKIA OBOMO na gukwanere michando na koyesunsora KOBOMO.
A continent that remains divided by hesitation and mistrust cannot act with coherence and strength. It cannot coordinate effectively and it cannot fully realize its potential. The reform of the African Union is not optional, it is an imperative. We must build an institution that is leaner, more focused, more effective, and decisively results-oriented. One that speaks with a single coherence on global issues, aligns its organs with priorities of its member states, and above all, translates decisions into tangible outcomes. This is again not merely an administrative exercise. It is a strategic necessity. A stronger African Union is an engine of a stronger Africa, and reform is the bridge between aspiration and achievement. Without it, the promise of Agenda 2063 risks remaining unfulfilled. Central to this renewal is financial independence. For far too long, a significant share of the Union's program has depended on external financing, undermining ownership, constraining strategic autonomy, and limiting our capacity to act with speed and certainty. Africa must fund its own priorities, set its own agenda, and engage the world from a position of confidence and self-determination. Unity and ownership are not abstract ideals. They are the foundations of our collective strength. Unity remains our greatest leverage. When Africa speaks with one voice, reform ceases to be a request and becomes an inevitability. Continental instruments such as the Africa Continental Free Trade Area are already demonstrating what is possible when we act together. We must now match that ambition with institutions and financial systems that enable progress rather than obstruct it. From strengthening regional and continental institutions to reshaping global finance and governance, the path forward is clear. We cannot build prosperity in isolation. We cannot secure progress alone. We cannot shape the future while divided. We must build it together, deliberately, systematically, and with unwavering resolve.